Ever wonder how to unlock the power of Tableau Server without breaking the bank? Let's dive into free ways to explore data insights on Tableau Server first. Let's talk about the free trial. Head to the Tableau website, look for a clearly labeled option where you can sign up for a free trial of Tableau Server. This provides full access, but it's temporary, usually lasting a few weeks. When you sign up, make sure to enter your email address and some basic information, and then follow the instructions provided to initiate your free trial. Be sure to read the specific terms during sign up so you know what to expect. After your trial period ends, your access will expire. If you're a student or educator, you're in luck. Tableau offers fantastic educational programs. Search for Tableau for Students or Tableau for Teaching on their website. Educational licenses provide free access to Tableau Desktop and, sometimes, limited access to Tableau Server for academic purposes. This is an awesome way to learn and practice. Consider the free viewer option. Tableau Public is a free platform where data visualizations are hosted and publicly displayed. While you can't fully interact with a full Tableau Server environment, you can view and engage with many data visualizations. You can also view and interact with other viewers online. Many companies and organizations share interactive dashboards through Tableau Public, giving you ample data to explore. So there you have it, free trial signups, educational programs, and the Tableau Public platform offer creative ways to explore Tableau's analytical capabilities. Make sure to check the Tableau website for the exact current offer or options to start your new journey.